Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to know if an OfferUp seller is legit. The reason for this video is because I want to help you guys stay safe when it comes to buying things off of OfferUp. But I'll be honest though, with my 8+ years of experience of buying and selling things on OfferUp and other marketplaces like Craigslist or Facebook, OfferUp has been pretty good with avoiding scammers and such. But to know if a seller is legit, what you want to do first is actually look at the reviews. I only work with buyers and sellers that have a lot of reviews. And so by reviews, I'm talking about those 5-star reviews. Usually every single person who's been reviewed on OfferUp should have 5 stars. I don't work with sellers or buyers who have like 4.5 stars or 3 stars, only 5-star sellers, because it's really easy to get 5 stars on OfferUp. Just show up on time, be communicative, be friendly, and just sell or buy what you're actually saying that you're selling or buying. So the reviews is the main thing. The second way is that to tell if a seller is actually legit, maybe you want to ask for more photos of the item as well and basically have an inspection of the item. The photos may not do you justice, but when it comes to actually meeting the person in person, I highly recommend that you meet in public areas such as a cafe, coffee shop, library, even a police station, even a local bank, even a local marketplace. So with that, meet in a public place, and then in order to actually tell if a seller is legit, the in-person meetup where you actually have the time to inspect the item, that is really going to depend on whether the seller is legit or not. So you have to be experienced and being basically immune to pressure when it comes to, let's say that I'm buying this phone, I meet up with the seller, now I have the phone in my hand. Now it's my responsibility to actually inspect the phone and make sure that the item itself is legit. Having actually seen that the seller already has a bunch of 5-star reviews, it's up to me/you to inspect the item, making sure that there's no unlisted damages, making sure that the item is actually functioning properly, and making sure that the item is in the condition as it was stated within the OfferUp listing. In order to know if an OfferUp seller is still legit, what you can also do to avoid getting scammed is to take digital payment methods. So I'm talking about like Zelle, Venmo, or Cash App. Those digital means of getting payments is going to secure that your payments that you receive aren't like void or fraudulent. Another way you can do it is meeting up at a local bank, and if you do decide to receive cash, making sure that cash actually deposits directly into the bank would also be helpful. But with that being said, I'd say that's last tip as far as the methods in which you have to inspect the item yourself and making sure that it's working properly. And then secondly, accepting payments via digitally is going to help you avoid fraudulent activities as well, or being scammed. I have had maybe like 2-3 times out of all the items I've ever sold where the $20 bill was counterfeit. Anytime someone offers cash, I always tell them, hey, I only take Zelle, I only take Venmo, and I only take Cash App or Apple Pay. Those digital means, you can't get scammed if someone Zells you money. It's actually legitimate. So be wary of cash, but even so, if you're selling or buying, there's a good way to know that an OfferUp seller is legit or not. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any comments, questions, or concern, do leave them down below. And thanks so much for watching. Good luck selling or buying on OfferUp.